Alright, hey guys, this is Soup Flies with Lubix Cube, and everyone is asking me, they want me to do a video for that Donovan guy, for the Lubix Cube guy, and yeah, I talked to him a little bit about it, and he said that's going to be good, so that's something we're going to do here soon. Now, the easiest way for us to do this, because we don't want to be making mistakes, is what we're going to do is don't post comments for the questions. You want to actually PM the questions, that way we can organize everything and get good answers. So if you think you have good questions, something you want to be asking, then we'll put that together, and yeah, then we'll answer all those questions. And Lubix Cube has ordered more of the Lubix Guhong, the ultimate Lubix Guhong, and so more of those will be coming in. They got ordered like, I don't know, a couple of days ago, and yeah, so to give it like 2 weeks, and those things will be in, and then everybody be happy. So post your questions for Donovan the Lubix, and directly to me in the PM. I still don't know what that means, but yeah, do that as a PM, and then if you want to just talk amongst yourselves, and use a comment below. All right, thank you.